What is up, guys? John here, and today I'm going to play this game with my Omega Ruby team. So let's go. Right here, my friend Pedro. Oh, yes, the new Ultra Beast. Okay. I always start with Flame. You start with Firo Moser. Dude, he has legendaries in his team. Disney. Okay. No way, no. What the? Oh, he has left hook. This sounds horrible. So, oh my god, no, please, lava plum. Not very cool. Squake. Oh man, Flamey, you can do it. You can kill this Zygarde. But I'll put a little bit of volume. Kill him with sacrifice flames. You're so stupid. Damn! With sunlight, you can use a move like one time. It's a shiny me, I don't want to know. Yeah. I think he's flying. Oh, he may give over. Yeah, baby. Oh, bruh. Hey, you Dumbo. Oh, you use it again. You Dumbo. Take it. Take that. Take it to the universe. Take it to Blaze Venom. I don't know how to say that name. I'll call him Blaze. He exploded. You know I'm winning because of the Hoopa da Hoopa. It's a Hoopa. Hoopity Hoopa. No! Flamey! After when people came my Flamey. Oh, we forfeited the battle. Well, let's do another battle. This way. There. Flame. I think he'll use Greninja. Yo, Samurai. Yeah. LOL. Yes. Dead. You know what time Rusa can't do anything? Bro, our flame is so ultra strong. Heavy evil. No! You can't because I'm like the sun. Can't do that. I'm your queen. Bruh, it's so easy. Gengar. Wingery Gengar. No! I don't care, bro. Ha ha ha. Disable my earthquake and disable my He didn't kill my Pokemon yet. No. But I still have this move. Mega Evolve him if you can. Shoot, parry, shoot, shoot. So, Lava Plum. Lava! Aha. You partner! We have the same health. Now we don't. Yay! He just left when I said GG. Well, let's put on another person. One more time, and then we will finish the video. This guy, Daniel. Let's go delete the water move. Oh, here's the shiny Diancie. Shiny money. Oh. You are burned! B-U-R-N-D. Burned! No, you didn't. Can you take it out? No! He can. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places. Wait, it makes it like as you can make it for all your pokes. Shoot Peru. Now use that move always and I can't use a move. Haha. I think he's a Brazil guy because BR means Brazilian. He'll use the Mega Pinsir. Let me guess. Mega Pinsir, Ashko Ninja, Mega Gyarados, and Mega Blaziken. If I'm right, damn. Yup! Mega Pinsir. No! I'm so Dumbo. Okay, bye, Flavie. You're a good boy. Go, ho. I forgot to name it Phoenix because in my game, it's called Phoenix. That's so stupid. Sacrifice. Fire, no fires. There's no faces in here. Around the bay, Gyarados. Punishment. You got a punishment, you baby! Yes, I knew it was a Mega. Bonus. Secret power. Kamehameha! Okay, I just use a Kamehameha. Dragoon. My Reiki Rayquaza. I can't make it evolve him. Why? Oh, by using Dragon. No! Reggie Boss. Yes, I have a Regigigas in it, dude. Thunderbolt. It's very effective. Okay. Why? This guy knows the moves to kill everybody? That's rude. We just have Sharpedo and Latios. Mega Evolution. I'll dive. Mega Sharpedo incoming. Oh my god. Goodbye. No. If I hit 19 subscribers today, I'll post another video about my team and why. This afternoon, yeah. Latios. Who thinks we're going to lose? Because we're not! Okay, I think we are. No. So, this was the video, guys. Bye.